In this video, I'll show you how to connect Airtable with N8N. Start by signing into your N8N account and open the workflow where you want to use Airtable. If you don't have one yet, click Create Workflow. Next, click the plus button to add a new node and search for Airtable. Select the Airtable node to add it to your workflow. After that, click Create New Credential in the Credentials section. Now sign into your Airtable account and create a personal access token from the Airtable developer settings. Make sure the token has permission to access the base and tables you want to use. Next, return to N8N, paste your personal access token into the credential fields, and save the credential. After that, select the base, table, and the operation you want to perform, such as create, update, get, or delete records. Now add another node, such as a manual trigger, webhook, or another app, and connect it to the Airtable node. Next, click Execute Workflow to test the connection and verify that N8N can read or write data in your Airtable base. Finally, if everything works correctly, click Activate to turn on the workflow so it runs automatically whenever it's triggered. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect Airtable with N8N. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.